Hello everyone, it's Options Guy. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about Palantir and whether I think you should buy or not buy. I'll basically give my reasons why, both pros and cons, and also showcase my portfolio and show you guys what I'm doing overall in my portfolio and what I'm doing in Palantir and stuff like that. But before we get into it, I just want to emphasize that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes. Okay, so should you buy Palantir? I think the answer is yes, you should buy Palantir. Definitely a good long-term hold. And as of right now, even if you look at the chart, it's been holding really steadily within that above that $21 support. So it's had a strong support at 21, even though a bunch of bears expect this to go to 15, 17, which I think they're stupid. But overall, I feel like the 21 support has been super strong, and it's bounced off of it a couple times. But should you buy it as of right now? Probably not, because let me give you why. One is because of earnings is coming up. With earnings in anything, it could be really shaky, especially if we take a look at the RSI as of right now. The RSI is getting really close to like the overbought range, so it's looking like it's gonna have some pullback probably in the morning or midday, sometime. It's like due for a slight pullback. Anyways, but not only that, the earnings is coming up, and then I feel like a lot of people, they get burnt out when they do options with earnings and stuff, not just in like Palantir, but like in general. So I would say yes, buy it if you're planning to do long term. Definitely, it doesn't really matter when you buy. If you're doing long term, you can buy it right now, and then like if it tanks next week or in 2 weeks or when earnings happen, you can average down. Definitely a good long term buy. But if you're doing options, especially in the short term right now, just be careful. And then also Palantir is one of those stocks that it gets beat down a lot, especially like recently. It's been doing really well, and it's going back up, and then with the whole earnings and everything, it's like its stock price is rising. And usually when that happens, then the like bear articles come out with like don't waste your time on the stock and then stuff like that. So I feel like these are kind of just like dumb value points. Like if anyone tells you like, oh, don't invest in a stock that is not profitable, that's already like a stupid argument. Especially if it's a stock that just IPO'd and everything. So that's like almost 100%. Or not 100%, but like a majority of the stocks that recently IPO or DPO, they're not like profitable right away. One of the many reasons that they go into the market is to basically get funding and to do more research and development, or just like invest within their own company, and then eventually the company will be like a strong performer and everything. So definitely I feel like Palantir overall will be a strong performer. But let me show you guys what I'm doing in my portfolio. So overall today was a really good green day. Surprisingly, it's been kind of like back-to-back green days. Friday was green and today was actually green. Almost all my stock picks were green. Even Workhorse was green, and Workhorse has been killing me lately. And like in the morning, like these calls that I had for Workhorse, they were at negative 1,400, and then I don't know, at the end of the day, they were like 100. So, and as you can see, I'm selling covered calls using these long expirations, Workhorse expirations right here. So hoping to get like 450 this week with just Workhorse, and then hopefully get out at 14 with these calls. And then, so Workhorse is the only one that's like bringing me down. But as you can see, I have 700 shares of Palantir. Fortunately, I didn't get. I was trying to get to at least 1,000 before like this whole run-up started happening, but I only got up to 700, and I wanted to get 1,000. But I'm expecting some sort of pullback either soon or definitely possibly after earnings. Like right now, it's probably just like earnings hype going on. But so overall, it's been a good green day, and I had Riot. I sold some Riot puts on Friday, and thankfully Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies like rebounded, so then Riot was definitely going up. And then this morning I closed it out for like $450 in premium. Like the total premium was like 700 something, but I didn't want to wait till Friday. I just wanted to like cash in on that. And then same thing with skills. I've been doing skills a lot, and I'm doing it right now. So as you can see, it's 150, and I'm just waiting for an extra 50. I probably will just wait it out because this is a $15 put. So I just have to wait till Friday. As long as it's above $15, I'll get that extra $50 for a total of 200. So yeah, so far it's been good. I think this past month I've somewhat come back. I don't know why it's not showing, but anyways, I've come back like 10,000 ish this past month. Yeah, I don't know why it's lagging, but anyways, yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. So yeah, overall I think Palantir is good. I'm gonna be holding these for, so these 4 right here are like my long-term picks. Workhorse was more of like a swing trade slash or it started off with like the expectation to be a swing trade or day trade type of thing, but then when I guess when I got it, it seemed to be like that high or whatever, so I haven't been able to rebound from there. I got in like around 1440, 1460 around there, but I have been making money on Workhorse lately with selling covered calls, selling covered puts, stuff like that. So overall, it hasn't been too bad. And yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. Overall, it's been green. I do foresee somewhat of a pullback tomorrow, because if we take a look at Palantir, we're getting close to like that next resistance that I have plotted around 2430, around there, 2430, 2440. I feel like there might be a resistance coming up. And then if we take a look at the RSI, we're getting really close to like the overbought range. So then we might expect some pullback, and hopefully there's pullback so I can buy more calls. I actually had Palantir calls as well, and I closed them out this morning for like, I think it was like 250 or 300 profit. But yeah, it's basically what's going on with Palantir. But overall, I think you should buy. Definitely a good long-term hold. Don't listen to the bears. I don't expect it to drop 15 or 17 anytime soon. There have to be some crazy catalyst for that to happen, or like their earnings have to like suck like a lot in order for that to happen. But other than that, it's all good. And then yep, so if you like this video, please give a like. Really appreciate it. Please comment if you have Palantir, or I want to know your thoughts on Palantir, or how many shares you have, stuff like that. And make sure you subscribe. See you guys in the next video.